Mchayele ucingo. Call him or call her. Ngizakuchayela ucingo. I will call you. Hi, my name is Bongi, your favorite Ndebele teacher. So let me teach you some phrases, some Ndebele phrases that you can use in the office or in the workplace with your colleagues. Okay, so from the two that I already gave you, I'm sure you understand that ucingo means the phone. And then ukuchaya ucingo means to make a call. Okay, so when I say ngizamchayela ucingo, what I'm saying is I will call him or her. Okay, so number 3, umhlangano uqalisa sikhathi bani. This means what time does the meeting start? All right, so what if you wanted to say to your colleague, let's go to the meeting. Asihambe emhlanganweni. Okay, so umhlangano being the meeting, right? Next, ngidinga ipen yami. What do you think that means? I'm looking for my pen. Okay, ngidinga ipen yami. Right, next we have ngubani obone amakhiye ami. Ngubani. So this one means who saw my keys, or did anyone see my keys? All right. Lastly, sokuyisikhathi setiye. What does that sound like? Sokuyisikhathi setiye. It's tea time. All right. So those are the phrases I have for you in this lesson. Let me know if I left some out. Let me know if you have something that you want to be able to say in Ndebele, and maybe I'll make a video for you. See you next time.